This is a Keter storage box. It's 4 feet wide, 416 liters or 110 US gallons. I'm going to put it up here on the corner of our porch as a complement to this other Keter that we have, which is an even bigger one, a 5 foot wide one, but not quite enough room to put another one of those, and I think this one will fit here better. So cleaning up this space and installing the Keter. All right, let's see what it looks like inside. So we got this, looks like the brackets or the edge pieces. And there you got all of that. So I'm going to take this out, start setting it up, see if there's some instructions in here, and I'll get to work. Just to give you a quick look at the instructions, I'm not going to show you every part. If you do assemble this and you have some problems though, let me know. I'm pretty good at assembling this stuff and I can maybe help you troubleshoot. The common problem from the reviews I read is that there are missing pieces or something got broken in transport, which is common when something is big and bulky like this. It can just get broken and cracked, but it seems like everything is complete. I didn't count every single piece, but it seems pretty straightforward. 11 steps to put it all together, 30 minutes total according to the box, so we'll see what that happens. So it looks like I'm halfway there. Now I need to flip the lid upside down and install the brackets with the pistons there. So according to the instructions, this should be done with 2 people, but I've been known to do stuff requiring 2 people on my own, which is always see, I'm standing inside this thing and I hope it's fine. Don't break it. You can basically rest it. I don't know what they're talking about with 2 people. I guess it could slide. It could slide. Just so you can see what I'm seeing though. So you just gotta screw right in there. Alright, nanny instructions. Of course it's gonna fall on my head now that I'm making fun of the instructions. I understand the liability. Got the first screw in. Let me do the corresponding side on the opposite so it doesn't slip or do anything weird, twist, break. I'm happy to say it looks like I received all my pieces. I think everything is the way it should be. And it said 30 minutes to assemble. I'm at 23 minutes or so. And I think once all said and done, just under 30 minutes to do this. And we'll have a bunch more space that will get filled up, I'm sure, very quickly. But better than stuff being kept outside in the elements. Not that the elements are so harsh here, but sun and, you know, bugs and whatever. It's not airtight by any means or bug proof, but it's better than just being out on the porch, even a covered porch. All right, last thing to do is to pop some things in the sides here. There's light, you know, finish issues with the unit, but they don't seem to affect usability. Just little bits of plastic and whatnot that didn't quite come off in the factory or whatever. And that's that. Very happy to report, just as my battery's about to die. But I finished that. Let's see if it closes. Yeah, not quite the fit and finish, like I said, of my other box, this one here, but this one costs over $200. This one's $110 or so. And but it's going to serve us very well. The colors match, which I'm very happy about. And here we go. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link down in the description. If you build it, let me know if you have any questions or problems. Pretty straightforward. The only tool you need is a screwdriver and some scissors or a knife to unbox the thing and open everything up. It looks like I was left with one bracket, which I am not sure the purpose of. Oh, okay, I did miss one thing. So this is going to go at the front, and this is so you can lock it. So this basically goes right here, and then you can lock it with a lock, which, you know, if someone wanted to get in here, no problem for them, but that's the last instruction, is to lock it, which I don't think I'll do because we're just going to have water in here and a few other supplies, so nothing crazy. But that's nice to have as an option, and we have that as an option here too. We just haven't used it yet. All right, Handy Historian Nick signing off from California with the Keter storage box. Talk to you later.